Well, I ain't doomed to do the same. Dear Sheriff Holloway, I never meant to murder Cody White, but I saw Red shot him dead, for he had fed my wife. I grabbed Laura Bell and bolted east towards Smithville. I write you in surrender from the Katy House Motel. Send your boys to drag me back and put me in the darkest cell. Those bars won't feel no different than those city lines did to me. Beaumont Blues #3. Yeah, I two-step to the chair in Dead Man's shoes. Beaumont
Next up, I've got the Deltones from 1958 with Early Morning Rock. That's going out there to Janet Sibley, who's probably up doing a painting or walking the dog.
Well, I wake up every morning with a beat in my feet. Tear off the covers and I rip up the sheets. Make it to the kitchen and I turn on some jam. Cause all we wanna listen to is jam with Sam singing oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah bah oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah. Well, everybody's yelling as I close the door. All the cats are yelling that they want some more. Everybody's rocking as they do the pop. Cause all the chicks are waiting for the record hot singing oody papa doo da doo wah bah 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 oody papa doo da doo wah. DJs from way back, he plays soft music, I can tell you that. So don't be foul, baby, come on in. Cause all the cats are rocking to the living and singing oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah oody papa doo papa doo da doo wah bah oody papa doo early morning rock bah oody papa doo early morning rock.
Next up, I've got Bob Doss with Don't Be Gone Long.
Well, you make me sad and you make me blue. You make me cry and you make me true. When you go out, you take too much time. Baby, gonna make me lose my mind. Don't you be gone long. Don't be gone long. Don't be gone long, or your dog will find another bone. Oh, now. Energy's gone. I ain't got the strength to pick up the phone. You can go to the corner for a loaf of bread, but just you remember what I said. Don't be gone long. Don't be gone long. Don't be gone long, or your dog will find another bone. All I want to drive, baby, and I can't wait. Baby, you better come through that gate. Don't you be gone long. Don't be gone long. Don't be gone long, or your dog will find another bone. Let's rock, dog. Don't be gone long. Don't be gone long. Don't be gone long. Don't be gone long. Don't be gone long, or your dog will find another bone.
From one extreme to the other, now I've got Milton Allen with Don't Bug Me Baby.
Don't bug me, baby. Will you no, no, no. Don't drive me crazy. Will you go, go, go. Well, I said don't bug me, baby. I love you, goodness knows. Well, don't bug me, baby. Don't treat me like clay. Don't make me love you, then turn me away. Don't bug me, baby, with your yakety yak. Don't waste the evening just chewing the fat. Well, don't do it. Baby, don't treat me mean. Don't fall in my loving machine. Well, I won't romance and don't look at me bleak. Well, I won't kiss and don't turn me your cheek. Well, I want to cuddle, don't tell me maybe. Well, I won't love and I want you, baby. Baby, don't treat me. Well, don't fall in my loving machine. Well, don't bug me, baby, you know it ain't right. You squirm like a lizard when I hold you tight. Don't keep me jumping like a frog in a bag. Don't start singing when I want to sag. Well, don't treat me. Don't fall in my loving machine. Baby, cause you know it ain't right. You squirm like a lizard when I hold you tight. Don't keep me jumping like a frog in a bag. Don't start singing when I want to slack. Baby, don't treat me mean. Well, don't fall in my loving machine. Well, I won't romance and don't look at me bleak. When I won't kiss and don't be turn me cheek. Well, I won't cuddle, don't tell me maybe. Well, I won't love it when I want you, baby. Baby, don't treat me mean. Well, don't throw a bug in my loving machine.
You are listening to the sounds of Salford rock and roll with Ian Cullen.
Coming up next, I've got Jackie Lee Cochran with I Want You, and that's going out there to my bingo pals, Irene and Anne.
I want you, I want you, oh yeah. Well, I want what I want and I want you, baby. I want what I want and I don't make. I need your love and I don't refuse. Cause if you do, I'll sing the blues. Believe me, baby, this is all for real. Not just another broken-hearted deal. I want what I want, so hold me tight. I want what I want, so treat me right. I want you, oh yeah, I want you. So please, please, baby, you gotta be true. I want you, I want you. Well, I want what I want and I want you, baby. I want what I want and I don't mean maybe. I need your love and I don't refuse. Cause if you do, I'll sing the blues. Believe me, baby, this is all for real. Not just another broken-hearted deal. I want what I want, so hold me tight. I want what I want, so hold me right. Making me feel as I do. So please, please, baby, you gotta be true. I want you, I want you, oh yeah. I want you, I want won't miss it.
Next up, I got Dorsey Burnett with Let's Fall in Love from 1953.
Well, I think we ought to go steady. Whenever you're ready, let's fall in love. Well, I believe your lips were meant for me to kiss. On a cold night like this, let's fall in love. Don't that look good shining bright in that sky above us? Well, you know very well I love you, baby. I love you, baby, and I don't mean baby. Well, I think we ought to see the preacher tonight. But do everything up right. Let's fall in love.
Coming up now, I've got Lee Emerson with I Cried Like a Baby.
I turned my head on my friends when we meet. I'm so afraid that they'll notice my grief. I don't want them to know how my poor heart do feel. They all think that I got the best of the deal. But I cried like a baby when you said goodbye. I fought back the tears, they just rolled from my eyes. And if friends should ask me, I just couldn't lie. 'Cause I cried like a baby when you said goodbye. Other man, I was happy with your love, even secondhand. And when you were leaving, I begged you to stay. You just pushed me aside and then went on your way. But I cried like a baby when you said goodbye. I know it don't help, but still I can try to wash out the memory of a love that won't die. 'Cause I cried like a baby when you said goodbye.
I think after listening to that lap